Yes, people, welcome to a new review of Alo Sim. And Alo Sim is a big player in the eSIM world. And if you're looking to use an eSIM, you're at the right place because I'm reviewing a couple of eSIMs and comparing a couple of eSIMs in my channel. So if you're looking for an eSIM, well, scroll through my videos and dive in my computer to review Alo Sim right now. Let's go. Yes, people, welcome in a good review about Alo Sim. And when was the last time you wrestled with your SIM card tray? Feeling frustrated and annoyed for many. Swapping SIM cards is a common occurrence when traveling abroad, and it often involves dealing with that elusive little pin. However, the era of physical SIM cards is gradually giving way to the convenience eSIMs. And Alo Sim is at forefront of this transformation. Well, what's an eSIM? An eSIM is essentially a digital version of your physical SIM card. Just like a regular SIM, it connects your device to a network, allowing you to make calls, send text, and access data. However, it takes things a step further by allowing you to switch between multiple plans and carriers seamlessly. This means you can change carriers or plans without need to physically replace your SIM card. eSIMs and travel. eSIMs provide incredibly valuable for travelers. They offer flexibility of using multiple plans simultaneously, making them ideal for business travelers or anyone who wants to stay connected while abroad. Alo Sims, among other providers, cater to this need by allowing you to purchase international prepaid data via your eSIM. This means you can use your phone abroad without incurring expensive roaming fees from your primary plan, and that's very nice. Who are they? Well, Alo Sim, with plans spanning across 130 plus countries, has quickly established itself as a go-to eSIM mobile data provider. Despite launching its app in June 2022, it offers an array of data plans starting at just $4.50, providing data from a range to 1 gig to 30 gig with plan durations from 7 to 30 days. The versatility in plans options ensures you can find the right fit for your data needs. Additionally, Alo Sim offers regional packages in various areas, including Europe, Asia, the Caribbean, North America, and South America. These regional options are perfect for globetrotters looking to maintain seamless connectivity across multiple borders. Well, the benefits of eSIM mobile data. Alo eSIM mobile data plans are cost effective and offer often cheaper than traditional carriers' daily roaming fees and packages. The service is user-friendly, enabling quick top-ups and providing a seamless connection to local networks, ensuring you remain connected. Enjoys stress-free navigation and you can reach out in emergencies. Are there any cons? One potential drawback is device compatibility. While most new phones support eSIM technology, older phones models may not be compatible. However, this limitation is likely to fade as eSIM adoption grows, of course. How to buy an eSIM from Alo Sim. The process of buying an eSIM and mobile data from Alo Sim is straightforward and convenient. You can use the website or the free app, available on both App Store and Google Play. Topping up your data is just as easy, ensuring you stay connected without an hassle. Well, our final thoughts are Alo Sim, despite being a relative new player in the eSIM arena, offers affordable plans, robust customer support, and wealth of resources to assist users. With Alo eSIM, you can embrace eSIM technology and enjoy uninterrupted connectivity during your travels, making your journey more enjoyable and stress-free. Well, we come to an end of our conclusion, and I want to ask you, if you have any experience with eSIMs, please use the description box below and we can help each other out. So, thank you for watching this video and see you on the next one. Bye bye.